All right, guys, 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLS 63 AMG. Beautiful car. What we done on it, took these things off, the catalytic converters, and put some Red Star high flow downpipes with converters right there and right there. Then we did a whole complete system. What was it called? FI exhaust all the way back. We did a bolt-on for him. It's a Russian system. All the way back, has custom X pipe. Really beautiful system, as you guys can see. Had a little bit of modification to make it fit on his, but we did it. Look at that, it's really beautiful. There's the mufflers. It's got Valvetronic technology inside the mufflers. Each side, there and there. And then they got these really sexy tips. I like the look of the tips on it. A lot cleaner than the old school stuff that was on it right there. As you guys can see. There's the old mufflers. There's the old resonator. Out with the old and with the new. Really beautiful. There it is. As you guys can see. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Oh. Let it warm up a little bit. Wow. Them damn Russians, man. Wow. Again? Oh my God. Here's sound decibels on cold start. 110. It's probably more than that, you know? See if you put it in sport mode. Put it in sport mode. Now it's in sport mode. Go ahead. I went up. Here's sound decibels again. Man, 111. Wow. Good Lord. What a beast, bro. Again. Nice. And it's quiet on idle, like nothing. You can hear the turbo spooling up. Oh, it's so sexy. Man, that's sexy. All right, just park it over there.